Now the seats are all empty. Let the roadies take the stage. Pack it up and tear it down. They're the first to come and the last to leave, working for that minimum wage. They'll set it up in another town. Tonight the people were so fine. They waited there in line, and when they got up on their feet, it made the show. And that was sweet, but I can hear the sound of slamming doors and folding chairs. And that's a sound they'll never know. Now roll these cases out and lift these amps, haul these trusses down and get them up them ramps. 'Cause when it comes to moving me, you know you guys are the champs. But when that last guitar's been packed away, you know, I still wanna play. So just make sure you all got it set to go before you come for this piano. But the band's on the bus and they're ready to go. We gotta drive all night and do a show in Chicago or Detroit, I don't know. We do so many shows in a row, and these towns all look the same. We just pass the time in our hotel rooms and wander around backstage till those lights come up and we hear that crowd and we remember why we came. We got country and western on that bus, R&B, we got disco, and we got rural scenes and magazines, and we got truckers on the CB, and we got Richard Pryor on the video. And we got time to think of the ones we love while the miles roll away. But the only time that seems too short is the time that we get to play. People, you got the power over what we do. You can sit there and wait, or you can pull us through. Come along, sing this song. You can't go wrong, 'cause when that morning sun comes beating down, you're gonna wake up in your town. But we'll be scheduled to appear 1,000 miles away from here. People stay just a little bit longer. just a little bit longer. Now the promoter don't, Claude Knobs don't mind, and the roadies don't mind if we take a little time and we leave it all behind and sing one more song.
Beautiful. Thank you.